really sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to another video. And this one is a little bit different. I decided I was going to create a makeup look for domestic violence survivors. And I did one eye off camera, which is this one that required more work, and I do this one here on camera for you to see. But I do hope that you will take a chance and watch this video. The reason I'm doing it is because I want to congratulate everyone that has gone through a domestic violence situation, or if you're a supporter of someone who went through that. I do want to do a giveaway in this video, and it is something special that I created for you guys and for everyone that has gone through this. I've given them away before, but they're silicone bracelets. We're going to get into that a little later on in the video. But if you're new here, my name is Karen. I love doing makeup tutorials. I love doing different things on my channels, collaborations, contests, giveaways, all those fun things. I love fun stuff in the beauty community. And so many times we do not take the time to recognize our accomplishments, what we have overcome. That's what makes us a survivor. So this video is to lift you up and to congratulate you for overcoming such a traumatic time in your life. So I love you guys, and let's get right into this look. Hey survivors. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight into this video. I've used a couple different eyeshadow palettes to create this look. I did use the new Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star. I also used the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because I needed a variety of purples. And I did one eye, this one, as you can see. So I did one eye to save time. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M421 brush, and I am going to go into Deviant from the Bloodlust palette, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I figured it would be really neat if I just like the idea of celebrating survivorhood, making those aware of domestic violence, and I figured what better way to do that than to create makeup for causes. What cause has affected your life the most? I know that there are several awareness ribbons out there. Some are for domestic violence, some are for fibromyalgia, some are for cancer, some are for, all different ones. What one has affected your life the most? That is what keeps me curious. So many people have been affected by so many different things. And I wanted to create something totally new, something that I haven't seen done before. So that's why I am creating this look today. It is to celebrate survivors, to remember those that we lost because of domestic violence, and to help spread awareness, because it seems like we need these reminders from time to time. On and do Vivid Mood from the Lust palette right here in my crease. We're just going to blend that in there. I'm not going to do the awareness ribbons on this side of my face because I feel like it would be too much. I really like the idea of bringing awareness, but doing it in a subtle way. I don't want a huge ribbon on my face. Vivid Mood. Right in the crease with the crease brush. Pretty sure there's it's a Morphe, just doesn't have a number. Onto the Jaclyn Hill palette, we're going to go in with Not My Journey? No, Therapy Sesh. Therapy Sesh. You know what? I think I went in with Not My Journey first. This is the problem with doing one eye off camera. I'm like, oh, I throw it together, and then I'm like, I gotta do it again. Yeah, that is the one on this crease brush, the same one that I just used, and I'm just building that right here. You all obviously have guessed purple is for domestic violence awareness. Actually, every October, a lot of nonprofit organizations and the National Domestic Violence Abuse Hotline, everybody does campaigns and different walks and all kinds of things. And it's something that I like to participate in every year. I do have a nonprofit here in South Carolina just for those of you that didn't know, it's not very active right now, and it's something that where I created a band, and I've done talks with people, and the band is a silicone band, and I'll show you guys what that's about in a minute. But I've given those out to help people realize their worth. So it's something that we're going to talk about in a minute. I just wanted to show you how I got this look, what colors I chose to do this. Do you ever express yourself, I mean, through makeup in the form of liking a certain color because of a person or a thing or something that's happened to you in your life? I just thought this would be a super neat idea. Okay, now that I've got that color down, I am going to, this is the part I think where I go into therapy sesh. I hope so. Yeah, there it is. Just wanted to create a simple eye, but with all the right colors, and to put a little pop of a twist on it. And because I am a domestic violence survivor, we all have those stories. Lots of us do. I shouldn't say we all, but a lot of us can relate to abuse. So let's bring some light to the subject and some positivity in there, and create a look for all of the survivors out there. What do you think? I'm liking that. Eco Tools brush, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to dip it into Not My Journey, that purple from the JH Volume 2, and I'm going to use this as my liner. That's how I did this over here, is with this eyeshadow, believe it or not. I do wish I had more precise tools to do some, and I will get some, and I will do some more intense looks later on this year. But for right now, let's just celebrate life. So this video is dedicated to all of you survivors. I'm going to take that purple on that same angled brush, put that on our lower lash line, nice and tightly. I did do black liner on my waterline. And that was the Kat Von D K pencil. I know I'm looking down, and I'm sorry, guys. There we go. There's just so much crap here. I'm trying to, fit it all in. Okay, so what did I use next? I went in with A Moment from the Jaclyn Hill palette, putting that underneath. Oh, that's super pretty. I like that a lot. Let's grab a brush to smoke it out with. Can I use that one? We could try that one. Light my brow bone with Gleam from the Jaclyn Hill Highlight Collection. I'm also going to use this on the inner corner. Oh, I love purple looks. I do. Now it's time for mascara and some lashes. Okay, guys. So I wanted to do a nice, easy look, and I did. And it was to celebrate survivors of domestic violence. I have a story. Everybody has a story that has dealt with that. I'm not going to share that story with you, but I do want to take the time to say congratulations for getting out of that situation if you have. And if you haven't yet, there definitely is help out there. I will put in the description box down below the National Domestic Violence Hotline awareness number, so you can definitely check that out if you or someone you know has been in that situation. So I want to do a giveaway now. I designed these bracelets, and I do have a Facebook page. It has not been as active. There's so many things that I do in my life, but I want to show you this. I've given these out before, and I'm ready to do it again. It is the blue and white, multicolored silicone band, and it says on it, not only did I survive with a little punching bag, but it says on the back, I aim to conquer. Why? Because you do. You've got to conquer the trauma, the healing. You have got to overcome PTSD if you have it, all of those things. And you wouldn't be watching this video unless it has affected you or a family member in some way. On the inside, it says plainly, I was a victim. I'm going to put pictures in here so you guys can see it. But this is what I wanted to do to give back. I wanted to find a way to connect with you guys on a personal level with something positive. Being a survivor, I'm not ashamed to say that. I am a survivor. I am very proud of how far I have come, and you guys should be too. Okay, so the giveaway rules. All you need to do, because I'm going to choose 5 winners. I'm not sure exactly the date. It's going to start the time that this video uploads, and it'll probably continue for about a few weeks. Maybe 2, I'm not sure. I'll put that in the description box below. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it out if you can. It's definitely not a requirement, and comment down below that you're a survivor or you know someone who is. And that's it. That's all I need from you to be entered, and I'm wishing you so much luck and so much happiness. Live your best life. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I really, really would love it if you guys would think about subscribing. You just hit that red button, turn it to gray, hit that bell and turn it to all notifications, and you will be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!